Hey, so I'm going to go over some of the teaching options that you have on StoryJumper, and this is part of my digital storytelling badge for my IPT class. So to get to the teacher part, just click on this homepage link, and right away that will bring you to all your classes that you have. So I made this little fake first period biology class for this tutorial. I'm going to click into that folder, and a couple of things come up that you can do. So first, you can add a student to the class. So if you click on that link and then click on this add one student link as well, this will give you the page to add a student. So you just put in their name, then you can choose the username for them. So either you as a teacher can do this or you can let your students decide. That's up to you. And then after the username, you add their email. So since I don't have a whole list of fake emails to use, I didn't add a bunch of students to my little fake class. Um, just because I don't think that's necessary to understand what it does for the purpose of this assignment. But yeah, that is how you would add a student. And then when you get back to this to-do page, which is the first thing that pops up when you click onto your individual class folders, um, you can click on this people link right here, and this will bring you to your class roster. So if I had students to show you all their names, username, emails, and actions to go into their profiles and see their books and grade them, all of that would be under this class roster page. So that's kind of the basics of using StoryJumper, and that's just kind of the surface of it. It looks like there's a lot more that teachers can do beyond just this, which is great.